Namasarvebhyah. So I shall continue the next portion of mathematics and combined with astrophysics in Chamakam. So we saw Eka cha me, Tisras cha me, Pancha cha me, Sapta cha me, Nava cha me, Ekadasha cha me, Trayodasha cha me, Panchadasha cha me, Saptadasha cha me, Navadasha cha me, Eka vigum satischa me, Trayo vigum satischa me, Pancha vigum satischa me, Sapta vigum satischa me, Nava vigum satischa me, Ekatrigum satcha me, Trayastrigum satcha me. Trayastrigum is 33, Trayaha Trigum 33, Ekatrimshati is 31. So we saw up to 33, everything is in arithmetic progression of 2 and square and the square root. Correct? We saw the square, also the square root. Now the rishis, asmakam rishayah, kim kritavantah, kim rachitavantah, kim jnatavantah, iti chet pashyantu. We shall see this. Beautiful. What is this? Chadasrascha me, Shtaucha me, Dwadashacha me, Shodashacha me, Vigum Chatischa me, Chaturvigum Satischa me, Shtavigum Satischa me, Dvatrigum Satcha me, Shattrigum Satcha me, Chatvarigum Satcha me, Chatuschatvarigum Satcha me, Shtachatvarigum satcha me, Vajascha prasavascha bijascha kratuscha suvascha murdhacha vyasniyascha antya yanascha antyascha bhuvanascha bhuvanascha adhipatischa. Bhuvanaha adhipati, authority. Now chatasrascha, after trigum we have seen arithmetic progression, square and square root. Chatasrascha me, then it continues. The Chamakam in the 11th. Eka dashama Shloke etat anuvartayati dadrisham eva. It continues. Chatasrascha me, Shtaucha me. Chatasra is 4. It's a strilinga. Chatvaraha, chatasraha, chatvari, napumsaka lingam. That's all. Linga peda. Chatasrascha 4. Chatasrascha me, Shtaucha me 8. Dwadashacha me 12. Shodashacha me 16. Shodashacha me vigum shatihi 20. Vigum satischa me chatur vigum satischa me 24. Ashtha vigum satischa me 28. Dvatrigum satcha me 32. Shatutrigum satcha me 36. Chatvarigum satcha me, Chatvarigum shatu means 40. Chatuschatvarigum satcha me 44. Sthachatvarigum satcha me 48. Now what do you see? Everything there is in an arithmetic progression of number 4. Chadasrascha me, Shtaucha me 8, Dwadasha me 12, Shodashacha me 16, Vigum shatihi 20, Chatur vigum satischa me, everything me mahyam. That 4 is also Chadurti. The me is also Chadurti Vibhakti. 4th conjugation in Samskrita. Mahyam me avabhyam now asmabhyam naha. Also it is there in Shashti also. 6th Vibhakti also. Mama me. But pradhanya ritya Chadurti eva janaha panditaha vadanti. Mahyam or me. Bhagavaga sthaneshu Bhagavan Krishna Paramatma vadati. Pashyantu Shunvantu Bhagavad Gita Ayamapi. Okay, so everything is in the arithmetic progression of 4. Rishis have switched. Why they have switched from the square root and all, energy and matter, and energy liberated equals mass times square of the speed of light. Square. They have gone into the square and the square root. Therefore, square root of energy liberated will be what? Square root of mass. E is equal to mc squared. Square root of mass and c squared will become c, the speed of light. Everything they go on the square root. You take the equation, simple mathematics. E equals mc squared. Now you put a square on square of E, energy. Square root of energy should also equal to, you have to put the square root on the other side, which is mc squared. C squared becomes ordinary C without the square root, and the m will become the square root of m. So they up to that, Trayastrigum Satchame, yes. Then they are coming here, Chadasrashchame, Stauchame, arithmetic progression of 4. What is the reason? 4. Chadurmurtis, Chadurpavus, Chadurveda Videgaba, Chadurdramshtas, Chadurbhuja. For in Vishnu Sahasranama, Rishis are appreciating Mahavishnu, the Narayana. Everything Chatu, 4. Why? It is the standard model in astrophysics which Einstein declared. What is that? The strong, the nuclear force, the weak nuclear force, the electromagnetic force, and the gravitational force. This constitutes the universe. Einstein said, that's all, simple. And our ancients, why they picked this 4? Why they said Mahavishnu is Chadurbahu? Why not 6? Chadur Dramshtra have 4 teeth, 4 pillars. Chadur Vedavi Degaba. Is Degam also Chatuhu? Chatur Atma. You see in Vishnu Sahasranama. So here Chadasrascha Staucha me Dwadashacha me Shodashacha me Vigum Shatischa me Vigum Shatihischa me Chatur Vigum Shatihi. Vigum Shati is 20. Chatur Vigum Shati is 24. Shta Vigum Shatischa me. Ashta means 8. 28. Dwa Trigum Satcha, everything on 4, and they are now explaining. And Bhuvan Adhipati. Bhau Bhuvan Adhipati. That is the beauty of, I just took Chamagam to explain you. If you hear this beauty with that May, how the rishis, nothing but the goat bleating, how they attract with the pure Sanskrit coming here as the 4th vibhakti, and the poetry, the beauty of the poetry, the depth, the profundity in Sanskrit has been well revealed here. That is the brilliance of our ancient mind. That is their brilliance. Stapitavataha dadrisham stadire. Rishayaha iti chet stadire. Parokshana priyaya. Even Parokshana priya stadire. They did it like this. They established by mathematics, defining the square root, the energy, everything. Shiva and Shakti, the 2. Matter and energy. Shakti is energy. Without it, the universe cannot function. That's why we have Shiva Shakti. The pair. Everything in the coin has to have a pair, 2 sides. And here they have picked up number 4 to describe the universe. Bhau Bhuva Adi Shaktihi. They are said they are the Adi Shaktihi. So Chadasrascha me, Staucha me, Dwadashacha me, Shodashacha me, Vigum Chatischa me, Chatur Vigum Satischa me, Shta Vigum Satischa me, Dvatrigum Satcha me, Chatvarigum Satcha me, Chatus Chatvarigum Satcha me, Shta Chatvarigum Satcha me, Vajascha. Shta Chatvarigum means 48. So they go from 4 to 48. Vajascha prasavascha pijascha kratuscha suvascha murdhacha vyashniyascha antyayanascha antyascha bhau vanascha bhuvanascha patischa. Beautiful. If you analyze, if you know Samskrita, and if you can beat any language, you can know any languages in this world, very quickly you can grasp. That is the depth they have gone through. It's not easy. More of it I am going to come through. Please see my YouTubes. Thank you. Till such time, Bhuyat Tavat Shubhamangalam. Thank you.